Hi everyone! Welcome back to Vincent, Henri, and Art with Miss C. We really hope that you enjoyed our last video and learning and creating with us. So today I thought that I would pass along another easy to make project using basic supplies that you probably have at home right now in your kitchen. I'd like to share a recipe to make your very own Play-Doh or salt dough at home. This super simple salt dough is great for St. Anthony Eagles of all ages. The youngest Eagles can benefit from building their fine motor skills and their hand strength by mushing and squishing and rolling and pinching this dough. And all older Eagles can craft and create all sorts of small sculptural pieces, figurines, ornaments, and even beads. Now, if you're ready to learn and create with me, show me Mona Lisa. I'll know that you're ready to begin when I see you sitting up straight and tall, with your eyes watching, your ears listening, your mouth is closed into a quiet smile, and your hands are placed neatly in your lap. Okay, great. Let's get started. To make this super simple salt dough, you're gonna need a bowl, a spoon, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and 3/4 to 1 cup of water. You'll also need a plastic container with a lid to store your dough in once it's mixed up. And if you'd like to make colored dough, you can add a few drops of food coloring to the dough while you're mixing it up. Remember, if you need a few minutes to get your supplies ready, or if you need to watch a step again, you can always just pause and rewind the video. Okay, once you have all your supplies gathered up, first you'll need to combine your flour and your salt, or the dry ingredients, in your bowl. Now we're ready to begin adding the water. You'll need to add the water just a little bit at a time. Your salt dough should have a very smooth consistency once it's all combined. If it's a little bit too crumbly, just add more water. And if it gets too sticky, just add more flour. That's it. Once your salt dough is all mixed up, your salt dough should last for a week or more if you keep it in an airtight container with a lid. The sky's the limit to what you can do with the salt dough. You can roll it out with your hands or a rolling pin. It works great with cookie cutters or if you have a plastic knife. You can even make your own fossils. You could take maybe a seashell or a plastic dinosaur toy and gently press it into the dough and remove it. And if you want to make any of your creations permanent, all you have to do is let them air dry overnight and then get a grown-up to bake them in the oven at 225 degrees on a foil-lined cookie sheet for about 2 hours. Once they've cooled, you can paint your creations. You can use watercolors or even nail polish to add color to them. Remember, if you want to make colored salt dough, just add a few drops of food coloring to it and make sure that you knead it and mix it up really well. Here are just a few of the things that I made. I've got a small cat ornament that I made, and you can take a wooden skewer to push a hole into your salt dough before you bake it, especially if you want to make something that you're going to hang with a string or some yarn. You can press things into your salt dough and make patterns. I even made a little snake here. Might paint him up. Remember I said you can make beads too by rolling small balls and shapes that you can make sure that you poke a hole through with your wooden skewer. I hope you've had fun learning and creating again with us today. We'd love to see photographs of your salt dough creations or any of the art that you've made while you're at home. You can email us at vincent.henri.andmissc@gmail.com. Don't forget to check back here again soon for more new projects and ideas. Vincent and Henri and I hope that you'll keep creating, keep learning new things, and spend time with us again soon. Bye!